In my last video, I used Claude to analyze 250 selling Amazon shirts to find patterns in top niches. So now I'm doing the obvious next step. I took those exact niches and turned them into designs. If you haven't seen part 1, make sure to watch it. Just like I used Claude to find these top-selling niches, I'm now using Claude to write new prompts based on those designs. I will upload the designs into Claude and use the following pre-prompt template to make new prompts. Then I will create original designs using ChatGPT since Claude doesn't have an image generator. The pre-prompt template is: write an original design prompt for this t-shirt design in X style. Add X graphics in X style. X text in X style. No mockup view, solid black background. With this, you just fill in the X's with your own changes to the original idea. If you want this template, comment prompt in the video and I'll send it to you. For the first one, I'll walk through everything so you can see the system. I take this prom mom design and drop it into Claude and fill in the prompt. Write an original design prompt for this t-shirt design in varsity design style. Add prom graphics in vector style. Mom text in elegant script style. No mockup view, solid black background. So basically, I'm adding graphics in script font. And this is the prompt Claude made. I'll copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. And this is the design. This design is improved with nice elegant graphics that adds more variety with the script mom font. For this next design, I dropped in Goodbye Elementary School, Hello Middle School. I added retro style design, pencil graphics, in minimal style, all text in bold clean style. Claude can make very simple vector files, but they're not great, so I'll ignore it. And this is a new prompt. Copy it. Now I paste it into ChatGPT and generate. This is the result. It's a very colorful and bold layout. Everything reads instantly from afar and is perfect for a middle schooler design. I uploaded this You Got This, Stay Calm design. Playful design style. Add test paper graphics. In vector style. Subtext in handwriting. And I also removed some extra phrases to simplify. This is the Claude prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. Generate. And this is the design it created. The bold headline grabs attention with a good mix of fonts. The layout feels balanced without being cluttered. Next, I dropped in, I have 2 titles, Mom and Grandma, and I rock both of them. Script in sans serif design style. Remove all graphics. Mom, Grandma text. In script style. And this is a Claude prompt. Copied and pasted into ChatGPT. And this is the result. I'll make the small text all caps. And this is the result. Very clean text-only composition. The large script carries the entire design and the hierarchy gives it a minimal premium look. Grandpa and grandson, best friends for life. Stack design style. full body silhouette graphics. In solid vector style. Uncle and nephew text. In bold style. And the Claude prompt. Now I input it into ChatGPT. And this is the design. Strong focal point with the silhouettes in the center. The radial lines add energy and the bold text makes it readable from far away. 250-year faith and freedom, 1776 to 2026. Badge style design. American flag or star graphics. And clean minimal style. 250 years strong, 1776 to 2026 text. In vintage style. The Claude prompt. Copy and pasted. Generate. And this is the result. Very cohesive badge design. The circular layout and distressed textures give it that classic Americana look that people expect. Powered by Neurodiversity. 3D render design style. Pixel brain graphics and 3D smooth rendered style. Text in futuristic style. This is the Claude prompt. Paste into ChatGPT. Generate. And this is the design. Super eye-catching. The color gradient and 3D depth make it stand out a lot more than the typical flat designs. And the final design dropped in is Pediatric Nurse. Cute design style. Add stethoscope, bandage, heart, playful graphics, and clean vector style. Remove dinosaurs. Text in colorful bubble style. And generate. Copy, paste into ChatGPT. Create. And this is the generated design. Very friendly and approachable. The soft colors and cute medical graphics fit the pediatric theme perfectly. Notice the pattern. I'm not changing the idea. I'm just changing the style, graphics, typography. And that's enough to create something original while still staying inside what already sells. Every generated design comes from real data and real patterns that already sell.